no. That's better? Perfect? It's perfect when it's inside my mask? You hear me, but can you hear, it's my breathing? Thank you for the likes. I appreciate it, Bob. Do I sound like Darth Vader because of the mask? Darth Vader. Luke, I am your father. The mic is inside my mask. So if I have the mask and the mic is in here, that's why you can hear me breathing. Let's see, watch. The mic's in here.
The mic's right here. And I'm putting it up in the hole up in here.
That's why you can hear me breathing. But I'm not going to be sending none of this stuff without proper protection. That is just the smart thing to do.